Alright, YouTube. We're here at Riverchase Galleria in Hoover, Alabama. Remember, I just filmed the Kone KSS 500. That's one my very first with Aaliyah. Which one's going to be which? And I got this one. Love that Kone elevator. I'll make sure people. See? 3 is locked. At least you need your code. Pause if you want to read this. But went out. Send it down. That's a 370. Look, that's. What do you think about that? Take a screenshot, and if you want to make it, looks like elevator.
Alex, look out the way they're trying to go down.
See, that's cool. Interesting. So that's it.